So guys, birthday gifts are still coming in. Like they are still dropping in. I'm still on my 90 because I said I want to unbox these gifts before I do any other thing, so I don't get carried away and my day will just end like that without me doing anything. So I got this lovely gift from my colleagues at work. So guys, I was gifted this. Can you guys see this? Asa bem bem. So guys, I was gifted this cute little frame. And another gift I got was another throw pillow. Like I now have like two throw pillows. I have one in my sitting room. I might just keep this one in my bedroom on my bed. I'll just add it to the to the pillows on my bed. And I'm so happy. Yeah, like I love it. So guys, another thing I want to do today is to take out my braids. This braids is like I think 2 weeks plus or 3 weeks ish. But right from the very first day I made these braids, I didn't like it. I'll be taking down this braid and I'll be showing you guys new natural hair products that I started using on my hair. I want to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you So as many that checked up on me, I'm back home. I'm fine. Like, we've been away for like 2 weeks. We came back, I think, on Tuesday, on Wednesday. It has meant that saw my community posts, and they actually um wished me quick recovery and everything. We were fine. We were back home. So I'm back. So the first clip you saw of me where I did the unboxing of my birthday gifts for my colleagues, and when I wanted to lose my hair and everything, guys, it was not possible because it was that same week that we had to travel, and we spent like 2 good weeks in where we went to. We just got back this week Tuesday, and went back to work. We tidied up. I just used my sunscreen. We tidied up, and we are still tidying up. So guys, in that previous vlog, I was like, I want to share you guys new hair routine or new hair products that I started using. Guys, pardon this acne, like, I've been away and I didn't go with my skincare, guys. So guys, like, the most important thing is life before skincare, my sister. So I didn't really go with my skincare products, and I wasn't really interested. I was just more interested in life, good health. I started growing my hair I think October last year. October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. So my hair is 9 months. 9 months old, and it's a natural hair, and I'm liking the texture of my natural hair. I'm liking how my natural hair is coming up and everything. So now, but I started using this Mega Growth leave-in conditioner. I started using this product, and guys, I've been loving my hair. After washing, allowed to dry, and then I go in with my leave-in conditioner. I go in with this Wonder Grow hair oil. I've been using this hair oil for like a month now, and guys, it's really doing wonders to my front hair. It's doing wonders to my edges. Like, here it says it promotes long thick hair growth, strengthens and restores edges, reduces breakage and tightening, repairs chemically damaged hair, conditions and nourishes dry scalp, instantly softens and detangles hair, provide terminal protection. The reason why I even went for this oil was because of I wanted something that will make my hair to be soft. Why I want to make it more of like something that I will be able to use to detangle my hair, because it's a natural hair, and it's been doing wonders, guys. It's been doing wonders. This is my edges. This is my edges now. See, it's not fully out, but you can practically see something. This is my edges now. Like, this is my edges, and I wanted to, before I started using this product, I wanted to do a before and after. I wanted to snap my hair before, and I will check if I actually have it. I don't know if I did, but I will check, and if I actually snapped it, I'll be putting the picture either here or here to see how my front hair was before and how it is now. Like, it's not there yet, but it's coming up like in just a month, 4 weeks. So you shake it before using, and you take it in. Guys, I'm looking at my mirror. Sorry, I'm looking. You don't need much. You don't need much, and then you just if you actually did this point. I'm so grateful. God bless you. Please don't forget to do all the good things on YouTube. You like, you share, you subscribe, and you comment. So, to see in my next video. Bye.